the box is very minimalistic, quite a tall one this one, can't really fit it on the screen actually, that's why I got it sideways. But if we look on the back here we can see what we're getting. We are getting a full HD panel, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 615, 2 gigs of RAM, 3030 mAh battery and a 13 megapixel Sony sensor camera in a very nice premium design. So it should be pretty good here, and we can get it open to see how it is. So let's just try and make some strategic cuts here. Is that enough? May not be. Let's try that again. There we go. Xiaomi's boxes are very kind of minimalistic, kind of like the old Samsung kind of box, like nature recycling type of box. But it looks like this one is quite simple here to open, so we're just going to lift it up. And here we do have the good stuff. So let's have a look at it here. So 5 inches, obviously, very nice kind of size here for one-handed use. We'll just put this to the side for a second because we do want to see the other things that you get in the box as well. So it looks like we're getting a, what's this? I think it's a charger here. Yes, a charger or charging cable. And also, we're getting a plug as well, which is compatible for the UK, which is quite nice. I was expecting it to be like a 2-pin plug. So what else are we getting? That's about it. Oh, maybe we're getting like some manuals here. SIM tool as well. So we're getting the warranty information as well, which looks like it's 1 year, which is nice. Not quite as nice as Samsung's though, which is 2 years as I'm aware. But we can put all this to the side for a sec and have a look at the good stuff, which wow, feels very solid here. And be aware as I'm looking at this device how cheap the device is. You can get this like anywhere from 100 to 200, so it represents excellent value for money. And here comes the peeling. Wow, very nice here. Look at that. Do you like the little Mi logo as well on the front there? It looks a little bit iPhone 5C-ish, if you ask me. We do also have something here covering the lens. I don't think it's another piece of plastic to peel off, unfortunately. But we do have this kind of warning here. We'll peel that off so we can see here the back, and it looks very nice here in terms of the design. Dual tone flash, which is nice. I do like this little kind of Mi logo as well. Glimmers in the light. So good placement for the power buttons as well, which are nice and silverish. And we also get the micro SIM here, or nano SIM, not sure which one it is yet. I know that you don't get to micro SD expandability on this one, which is a bit disappointing, but that's the way Xiaomi is going. But other than that, we do get the charging port at the bottom, which is quite nice. So let's just get it powered on here, see what we're getting. Mi, Mi.com. So other specs to be aware of is that it's getting 16 gigs internal storage, the Adreno 405 for the graphics, and Mi UI 6. I think it might be on Lollipop, I don't know, but we can check it out anyway because it has booted up here. So we can just go through this quite quick. Choose my location. I'm not on there, it seems, which is weird. We'll just choose Hong Kong for now. Hopefully it doesn't change the whole language like to one that I can't read. Whoa. Go back. What's it doing? I want to go to my one, which I'll just put in here. So got Google, looks like we get the Google Play Store here. I'm ready to rock, that's what it's saying. Says we're loading apps there at the bottom. It's a bit like Windows Phone here, taking a moment to install apps. A big moment. So while it's doing that, we can just have a look here at the build quality. I think it's a unibody design here, so you're not going to be able to take off the back, as far as I'm aware, unless there's a secret way of doing it. So do bear that in mind. That goes hand in hand with the fixed battery, which is a very large one, which is good, and the fixed internal storage. I think we're here now. There we go. So let's just bump up the brightness here a little bit. It looks like we've got a system update as well. So we'll just put on the max brightness here so we can see how the display looks. And I have to say, looking at it here, it looks just as high quality as the Mi Note here, even though you're paying obviously a quarter of the, well, half the price roughly, it looks like they haven't skimped here when it comes to the display, which is good. You can see the viewing angles are absolutely fantastic here on first look. And it seems to be quite nippy here, just like its bigger brother. So let's get something to focus on. So we do have machine gun mode here, which is nice, and the UI looks very similar actually to Huawei's UI, which is very similar to the iPhone's UI. I think they're all kind of emulating the iPhone look here, which is nice and clean though, and the focusing looks very nice and quick. So look at the video. Those are some weird noises there, but it looks quite quick to do the video, which is good. Let's have a quick look at the Explorer here. So we don't have app drawer, which is familiar to other devices, but we do have folders here, and I think we have, yeah, there it is, a browser here, which Xiaomi uses. So you can see the page is loaded very quick there, which is nice. So it looks like the browsing is quite nice and quick there. Let's just round off the video here looking at the model and the Android version. So it looks like we're running 5.0.2 there, which is quite nice. And they didn't even forget to put the game in, which is good. Whoa. What's this? I haven't seen this for a while. But yeah, so first impressions, very nicely crafted phone here, and definitely exciting me in terms of what the capabilities might be in terms of the camera and the general performance. So if you want to see anything particular, you know, just fire it through, and if I've got time I'll definitely see what I can do. But yeah, just a quick little unboxing here and first look of the Xiaomi Mi 4i, sorry. That's it, the Xiaomi Mi 4i, getting confused there. And yeah, hope you did enjoy, and if you did, please like the video, and I will see you very shortly. Cheers.